This is the grade 12 final examination, like the grade 12 final examination. The examination that decides the future of most people. So let's take a look at what's happening. So Friday, the 31st of October is Mathematics Paper 1. And on the following Monday, the 3rd of November, is Mathematics Paper 2. Right, that very same week that you write Mathematics Paper 2, you write Physical Sciences Paper 1 on Friday. And on the upcoming Monday, you write Physical Sciences Paper 2. But let's be honest with each other. There's still a few topics that you're struggling with in math and science. If you go to my YouTube bio, you'll find 3 links: book one-on-one section, course, and email. So where you want to click on is book one-on-one section. You've taken a step in the right direction, and now it's time for you to book a session with me. One-on-one session is focused support tailored to your needs, and the group session is an interactive session for you and your friends. So you can invite your friend, a few friends, and then we can have the session together. So let's say you want to book a one-on-one session. So you're going to click on that. You'll decide on how long you want the session to be. Do you want the session to be an hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, or 2 hours? Let's say you want the session to be 2 hours, right? So now it's time for you to select a date. Let's say you want to have the session on September the 4th. So you're going to click on that. And after you do that, you're going to see the available times. So if 5 p.m. work for you, you're going to click 5 p.m. And if 6 p.m. works for you, you're going to click 6 p.m. So let's say you want to book a session for 6 p.m. So you're going to click that. After you do that, there's a few information that I need. First things first, I need your name. So let's say, for instance, your name is John, right? The second thing I need is your email. So john@gmail.com, right? And then I need your number as well. Another important detail that I need is the topic that you need help with. So let's say, for instance, you need help with acid and bases, and to be specific, pH calculations. If you have any further question, you can WhatsApp me or give me a call on the number provided, or leave a question and I will give you a call. Right, and after you do that, you just need to make a payment to the account provided based on the amount of hours that you want. Final exam is around the corner. You need to act right now. Can't wait to hear from you.